This beautiful house in Canyon Lake in Texas is built using a multiple of shipping containers joined together to create over 1,500 square feet of habitable space. This amazing house is an active listing going for $495,000 US. This amazing home is modern, beautiful, and a nice place anyone can call home. Going inside, this is a view of the open plan living space with a kitchen, a dining, and a lounge area. The space has got beautiful wooden ceilings throughout and big support beams bringing out that industrial feel of building with container modules. This is a view of the dining area. You will notice the big dark painted beams crisscrossing the ceiling to emphasize the seams where the shipping container walls once existed. This is a view of the dining and the kitchen in the background. The kitchen is a modern, beautiful space with overhead and under the counter storage cabinets. This is a closer view of the kitchen showing the stainless steel appliances, the sink space, and ample storage spaces. A closer view of the lounge area, a nice lounge setup with couch seating, flat screen TV for your entertainment, some nice space for display of your accessories, and light painted interior to bring out the ambience and that feel of space without any form of constriction. This is a closer view of the lounge area. You'll notice the full height sliding glass doors that open onto a big outdoor covered space. It's a view of the bedroom. It's big enough to accommodate a double bed or even a queen bed. The big glass windows that slide open onto the big outdoor covered space are quite commendable. A closer view of the bed space. There's a mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. The wooden ceilings have been used throughout the house to bring in a bit of warmth and elegance. This is a view of the bathroom. Nice modern space, dual sinks, a big bathroom mirror stretching the entire length of the wash and basin, adequate storage space, beautiful bathroom area. This is a shower cubicle space, nice closet space, big enough for your linen and clothing. This is a general view of this spiral staircase connecting the living space to the basement level. This basement has got a big open plan living space that also opens onto an outdoor terrace. The bathroom at the basement level is a laundry space at the basement level. This is a big outdoor space for entertaining. Look at this shipping container that was converted to a big outdoor sitting space. It stretches the entire length and it serves both the bedroom and the living spaces. Look at that view, an amazing view from the outdoor covered space. Look at it, it stretches the entire length, big outdoor space. From there you can see this is the outdoor living space created within this fast shipping container. The same view at close range. It's It's an additional outdoor space to complement the main house. Here's a view of the front, the main entrance door right there. It's a view of additional kitchen space. This is storage and yard. Good. What would you say? That's a view of the property from the street. Would you live in this amazing shipping container home? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Would you buy this beautiful container home for the listing price? Give us your opinion also by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container homes, or you are planning to build one and you don't know where to begin, worry not. We've done the heavy lifting for you. We've put together the most comprehensive shipping container building guide on the market. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.